Hello SY students, let us consider the CRO's practical once again, and that is for the component testing. So CRO that can be used for component testing, not the measurement. So component values cannot be measured, but the component testing that can be considered. So whether that component is working neatly or not. So this is the button that is called as a CT, so component testing button, and these are the terminals. Okay, so positive terminal or CT1 CT2 terminal, common terminal. For the transistor, this will be the third terminal. So right now the CT terminal, that is what it is pressed, so CT button, that is what it is pressed, so component testing, that is what it is considered. Since there is a no connection here, that means it is open circuit. So for open circuit you are getting this as the Lissajous figure. Now we will consider the short circuit. So these two terminals, those will be shorted, and then see the effect. So when these two terminals are shorted, you are getting the Lissajous pattern as a vertical line. So for short circuit component testing, Lissajous pattern is vertical line. For open circuit it will be horizontal line. Now consider the resistor. So we will measure the resistor first, resistor value. So let us measure the resistance value. So we are measuring the resistance. So it is something like 80 ohm or like that. Okay, we are not interested in the value largely, but it will be the something like 80 ohm. 80 ohm, that is the resistance value roughly. Okay, that is what we are considering. So this is what it is, a 80 ohm resistance roughly. So now that resistance we will connect there. We will connect with the component testing. So resistance value is the smaller one. So see the effect with the Lissajous pattern. So it will be the not exactly vertical line, but it will be slanting line. So for the smaller resistance, the slope is larger one. Okay, the slope is larger one. Now we will consider another resistance value, which is high resistance value. So we will connect there and see the component testing effect, Lissajous pattern. So it will be nearly the horizontal line. That means it is a large resistance value. That is what it is connected there. So for the small resistance value, slope is larger one. For the large resistance value, slope is a smaller one or nearly zero. Okay, that one. Now we will connect there diode. So normal PN junction diode, silicon diode, rectifier diode, that is what it is taken. Now we will connect there. So first of all, this is what it is in the forward bias mode. So anode is connected to CT1 and cathode is connected to common. So you are getting the Lissajous pattern that has a forward bias characteristic. Now we will connect, reverse the terminals and see the Lissajous pattern. So we are reversing the terminals. So it will be cathode, anode is connected to, so see the reverse bias characteristic. So cathode is connected to CT1 and anode is connected to common terminal or CT2, that one. Now we will connect there capacitor. So capacitor that is connected there. So you are getting that as a this one. Okay, so it will be loop, but that is compressed vertically. Okay, we will connect another capacitor, electrolytic capacitor. Negative terminal common ला connect करा आणि छोटे terminal आहे खाली 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 छोटे terminal खाली आणि वरती terminal वर. So you can see the thing, that is what it is, vertical loop. Okay, loop you are getting that as a vertical one. Okay, so किती आहे कॅपॅसिटरची व्हॅल्यू दिसतंय का नाही दिसत आहे ते लिहिलं असेल की बारीक बारीक लिहिलं असेल नाही लिहिलं ठीक आहे ओके हां दुसरा घ्या वाटल्यास ते एवढा नाही, बारका बारका घ्या छोटासा घ्या त्याच्यावर व्हॅल्यू लिहिले का ठीक आहे तो घ्या बघू मग विथ द vertical one horizontal loop that you are getting, so it is written as something like किती आहे त्याच्यावर जाऊ दे किती हां ठीक किती लिहिले ठीक आहे So I will connect the capacitor there. So you are getting that as a something like this loop, and the capacitor value is किती आहे
4.7
microfarad. 4.7 microfarad. So you are getting that as a loop like this. Okay, that is what the thing. Now we will connect the diode. LED rather diode we have seen, so we have connect the diode there. So diode characteristic will be just like this one, LED, that is what it is, working as a diode. So you are getting the reverse characteristic, rather reverse characteristic. So diode, that is what it is, glowing. We will connect the LED reverse one, so it will be again working. Okay, positive, negative, but it will be the forward characteristic. Okay, so that is what you are getting. So this is what it is, component testing practical.